In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add custom CSS to a Wix website with ChatGPT. Start by opening your Wix dashboard while you are logged in and choose the website you want to edit. Once you are inside the dashboard, click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. From there, go to the page where you want your custom styling to appear. Next, switch over to ChatGPT and enter a prompt asking it to write CSS to style a button for a Wix website. Include the requirements clearly. Ask for a custom background color, rounded corners, a hover effect, comments explaining each section, and instructions on where to add the CSS in Wix. Once ChatGPT generates the code, copy the CSS. Now return to Wix and open the area where your site setup allows custom CSS or custom code. Depending on your Wix configuration, this may be found in a custom code section or another styling area that supports code entry. Open that section and create a new custom code entry if needed. Then paste in the CSS you copied from ChatGPT and save your changes. After that, go back to the page with the button you want to style. Make sure the button is present on the page and ready to be affected by the custom CSS. If the editor does not immediately show the change, refresh the preview area if necessary. Next, click Preview so you can load the page with the styling applied. Look closely at the button and confirm that the new background color and rounded corners are showing correctly. Then move your cursor over the button to test the hover effect and make sure that is working as expected. If you want to make improvements, go back into the editor and update the CSS as needed. This is a good time to adjust colors, spacing, border radius, or hover behavior until the button matches the look you want. Once you are happy with the result, save the changes again. Before publishing, switch to mobile view and review the same styling there. This helps you confirm that the button still looks good on smaller screens and that the custom CSS does not create any layout issues. When everything looks correct, click Publish in the top right corner. Then open the live version of your website and confirm that the custom CSS styling is visible on the published page. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.